Hello, so today we are going to be working with the second part of Unit 11, of Unit 12, giving reasons. So as you can see, Unit 12 is called Keys to Success, and here we give personal views and describe qualities for success, which is what we did in the last 2 days, and we also give reasons, which is what we are going to be working with today. So we have giving reasons, and we are using these words for, because, since, because of, due to, the reason that, or the reason why. So we have the Firefly is famous for its fantastic music. So I'm giving you the reason. The Firefly is famous for the music, basically. I like the Dizzy Lizard. Basically, I think that's a band. I like the Dizzy Lizard because it's always packed. No, that's a place, I'm sorry, that's kind of a club. So I like the Dizzy Lizard because it's always packed. I'm giving you a reason, telling you why is it that I like this place, the Dizzy Lizard. In here I am telling you why these people are famous. So we also have, since it's always so packed, there's a long wait outside the club. So in here we haven't used since before, but in here we are using since to give reasons. So as you can see, we can use it at the beginning of the sentence. So since it's always so packed, there's a long wait outside the club. So I will say there's a long wait outside the club because it's always so packed. But in this case, I'm using since. So what I do is that I say since it's always so packed, there's a long wait outside the club. So I am telling you the reason why there's a long wait outside the club. It's because it's always packed. It's popular because of the trendy people. So as you can see, it's popular because of the trendy people, basically. Due to the crowds, the Dizzy Lizard is difficult to get into. So in here, when you are saying due to, is because it's something hard, it's maybe a negative thing. So due to the crowds, the Dizzy Lizard is difficult to get into. As you can see, you can also use it at the beginning of the sentence. And then we have the reason that, or the reason why people go there is just to be seen. So I'm telling you the reason why people go there, which is basically just to be seen, as they are describing it in here. So let me show you this. So in here, we have giving reasons. The reason that, or the reason why he is known is he is known because he danced well, or since he danced well. So again, we are using because and since for reasons. Here, he is popular for or because of his dancing. He is popular because of his dancing, and he is popular for his dancing or making the Thriller. People were sad due to his tragic death. So basically, as you can see, due to is for negative. Can only be used to explain something negative. His fans were sad, that's something negative, due to his tragic death. So basically, this is what we have in here.